Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you are in this world. This is Hedgen Lee with an update for Ethereum just for public members. I would like to invite all public members to further consider joining as a silver or a gold member of the hedging.com community. The promotion is still running where gold membership will provide a lifetime lock on annual rates. I can assure you by fall or before, when the bull market really truly rages, we will likely get a flood of new memberships. At that time, price will go up. So current incoming gold members get a lifetime lock on the annual rates. It will never increase. Just as importantly, gold members get lifetime access to profit trade alerts. This is where you basically trade with me. This is where I post my entry ladders and exit ladders. So far, we have been quite profitable. Link generated a 93% return. Current trade on Nugget, which you may have already seen on public posting, has exceeded 25% in return. In stocks, a 25% return is quite good. Very different from cryptos. Gold membership will also entitle you to a monthly group 1-hour Q&A session with me. We recently had it the other week, and it was quite productive. So again, I would invite you to further consider joining hedging.com and upgrading to the gold or silver memberships, which will give you full visibility of the crypto analysis. Ethereum has potentially finished 5-wave up. In early waves, when 5 waves are complete, there has to be a correction. So there's blue 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. When complete, the decline in the red A that you see is probably the onset initial signal of the requisite correction. And we are now likely getting a B wave bounce. This blue wave 5 had 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 subwaves itself. And this kind of a 5-wave structure is called a diagonal. Again, at hedging.com, there is a tutorial for Elliott wave analysis as well as chart pattern recognitions. That tutorial will exactly enable you to understand exactly what an ending diagonal will be and how to spot it. So if wave 5 subwave composition was an ending diagonal, you can see a pair of contracting lines where most of the price moved for the subwaves of blue 5 with a final flame out, and then it could not avoid the requisite correction. Once 5 waves done, the 3-wave correction must take place. The 5 and 3 is a Fibonacci mathematics, cannot be violated, can be potentially bent or stretched to a certain degree, but it cannot be avoided. So this correction is likely now going through a B wave bounce, and after the B wave bounce to maybe 269-ish or so, there could be the resumption of the correction with the C wave decline. And this C wave decline will not be disastrous. This is when, just like Bitcoin, BTC, this is when you want to do BTFD. What does that mean? Buy the freaking dip. We are in the nascent stage, early stages of a massive bull market. If that is the current situation, let's look at the cycles. Cycle would say that the midpoint was approximately early April. The peak of this trend currently is on the right side of the cycle. That's what you call a right translated peak. It's bullish. Why is it bullish? It spent majority of the time rising. And now the 20-25% of the time remaining, it will spend in doing and carrying out the requisite correction. So if it's spent about 80% of the time rising, and it's going to spend 20% of the time declining and correcting, that is very bullish. It would have been bearish if this peak was on the left side. That's what you call a left translated peak. That would have been bearish. Why? It would have spent only a third of the time rising and the rest of the cycle time declining. So we are on a bullish trend. And in this requisite correction, you BTFT that correction. Should have BTFT'd here. There is likely another chance for this to come. You buy that freaking dip, because after this, what we will get will be a jaw-dropping rise way past 3, 4, 5, 600. So that is my analysis of Ethereum just for public members, to give you a detailed taste and exposure as to what kind of posts and analyses are being posted on hedging.com. The value of hedging.com is you can analyze the coins that you have. Who cares about what other coin someone else has? Most important coin is the coin that you currently have, whether it be an altcoin or major blue chip coin or just Bitcoin. And you have an unlimited currency in the number of requests you can make on hedging.com for the updates for your coin. That is the value of hedging.com. And as a community in the discussion board, to be able to share and learn and profit together is also quite valuable. So I would invite you again to join as gold or silver member and get full exposure to the analysis of this type that is being posted every day. Even during the weekends, members get 21 to 30 posts, while other analysts take their weekends off. I wish you a good day.